Hello, everyone. In the last couple of videos, I've been talking about using real life examples to conceptualize large numbers so that it feels more real and palpable. In this video, I'm going to continue with the same, but this time I'm going to talk about the money distribution in the earth. So assume that all the wealth in the world, which is around 230 trillion US dollars. So assume that all the wealth in the world is represented by 100 coins. Okay, so there are 100 coins, which represents all the wealth in the world. Then the richest 1% of people on earth, 1% would have 40 of those coins. 40 of those coins would belong to the top 1% rich people. The top 9% would have 45 coins. The poorest 50%, the lower half, poorest 50% of the population of the world would share among them just one coin. Just one coin. Think about how much inequality there is. There are 100 coins, the resources in the world, the wealth in the world. Top 1% is taking 40 of them. The other 59 coins are shared between the people in the top 50%. But the bottom 50%, they all together are fighting for that one coin. I work in global health. I know there is disparity. I know there is inequality, inequity, but this is next level if you realize that. If you also think about, 100 people, if it makes it easier to think, 100 people, there are 100 people, there are 100 coins. In a totally equal society, each person will get one coin. But of course, we can't expect total equality. Some people will work harder, some people will do business, some people will have other means of earning money, blah, blah, blah. So there can be so many factors. But this level of inequality is mind-blowing. And I don't think it's justified. So there are 100 people, there are 100 coins. One person, in that example of 100%, one person is taking away 40 coins. Other 49 people are dividing other 59 coins, and the remaining 50 people are sharing one left coin. What do we do about this? Of course, I don't have a good answer. I don't have any solution, but just being cognizant of the fact and being appreciative of the privileges that we have every single day. I think that's a starting point. Honestly, I don't have an answer. I'm not an economist, but this level of inequality and inequity, it is truly staggering. I work in oncology. In oncology, we see these examples all the time. The top patient population in the world, it has access to all the fancy new shiny molecules, shiny new innovations that improve survival by 2 weeks. And the poor half of the cancer population in the world, they don't have even access to surgery that is going to cure their cancer forever. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you.